Hi friends, welcome to day 11 of Scrappy Advent. So we are opening this one here. Today we have a teacup and saucer. That's quite a cute and handy one to have. And on this one, oh, it's a little heart with the word love in it. Got a nice little dies. And we'll open this one from Zoe. Day 11. Oh, a little envelope. Let's see what's in the envelope. Ooh, we've got some book corners. Thanks very much, Zoe. These are great for mini albums. I have a mini album that I started and not finished, and I wanted some book corners for it. So that will be perfect. And then day 11 from my mum. Oh, she's an absolute nightmare. Right, let's see if I can get in on this side. No, that's not working. Oh my goodness me. Oh, pencils. And they've got some sentiments on. Let's do this. I can and I will. Actually, I can. Work hard, dream big. Let's make it happen. And enjoy the journey. Awesome. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for day 12 coming right up. Okay, I'm back again for day 12. So as always, you know the drill. It's calendars first. Oh, it's a little birthday cake with candles. That's cool. And the other one was this headphones. I'll die for headphones. Those are cool ones. So we'll do number 12. This one's from my mum. Let's see how long this one takes me to get into. It's not very sticky on the end, so that's handy today. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I can open it. Oh, we've got a little wooden box. Decorate your own box. Oh, and then inside there's some chocolate coins. My favourite. Thanks, Mum. Find a place for that to live. And then 12 from Georgia. We have today. We have a stamp stick. I don't even know what this is. Oh, I see. Okay, so one's a little smiley face, I think. One's a diamond and one's a heart. So you just take the top off and you can stamp it on anything. I wonder what colour it is. Presumably pink, I'm not sure. Thanks, Georgia. I haven't got anything like that, so it'd be cool to do that. And then this one is from Zoe. Good God, what do we have in here? We have some foam pads, which always come in handy. And then she's given me a whole load of, by the looks of things, the Say Cheese stuff. Say Cheese. Oh, the little pockets. I don't have these. That's cool. Oh, a bigger pocket as well. Awesome. I'm so far behind on scrapping my Disney photos, so this will hopefully give me a kick up the backside in order to get on with that and get them scrapped. Thank you very much, ladies, and catch me back here for the next video for days 13 and 14. See you soon.